Hi, my name is Jonathan Drooker. I'm a grade 3-4 teacher at Whitchurch Highlands Public School. This is known as the MENACE Machine, the Matchbox, Educable, Noughts and Crosses engine, which is a fancy, sort of sophisticated way of saying a mechanical computer that can be programmed and reinforced to eventually tie or beat a human at Tic-Tac-Toe.
The MENACE Machine is a computer that's not even alive. It can code using 304 containers.
So essentially there are 304 game states within Tic-Tac-Toe. It's considered to be a solved game. So we've created 304 matchboxes, and we've coded those matchboxes with various colored beads. The human assisting the computer randomly draws a bead, and that color corresponds to a spot, one of 9 spots on our Tic-Tac-Toe board. Initially, it's just a matter of randomness. Initially, the MENACE Machine will lose, and it's consequenced.
It doesn't know how to play. At the start, it's learning from random. So if it loses, you take away one of each bead that led to the loss. And if it's a tie, you add one of each bead that led to the tie. And if it's a win, you add 3 of each bead.
And this is very similar to sort of artificial intelligence or ChatGPT or other models where we have human trainers. We have people providing thumbs up and thumbs down based upon various responses. Ultimately, once it's gone through enough gameplay and enough reinforcement, it will only result in ties or victories should a human falter. A portion of our grant funds went towards the field trip aspect. Students got to see the location in which it was built and learn a little bit about that process.
Today, the students came in, we showed them the process involved with designing, creating, and manufacturing a product like the MENACE Machine.
It feels like a honor, to build stuff.
This place is amazing. Oh, I love the machine over there.
My favorite activity was probably wood cutting.
We allowed the students an opportunity to see the process as it was happening and gave them some demos in laser cutting, 3D printing, and CNC routing and CNC cutting.
They're able to see how the trades operate within the 21st century.
Today we were going to different classes and presenting the MENACE Machine.
Students were able to visit classrooms from kindergarten all the way up to grade 8 and present their understanding of things.
I'm looking forward to presenting because I really love presenting.
Today we're here to talk about a super cool computer from the past called MENACE.
Thanks for listening to our presentation.
We coded it all, we went for a field trip on it, and it's really fun.
By having them experience and see how technology can be utilized not only for the coding of their ideas, but also for the physical creation of their concepts, their ideas, and have that sit in front of them for them to tangibly interact with, play with, benefit from, that's a wonderful sort of lesson for them to see.